I am so excited. We are getting ready to move to Florida. If you guys are new here, my name's Taylor. Welcome. Today is my last day in Massachusetts and I'm pretty much packing up everything. My movers are already on their way. My car is already there. This is what we're working with. So this is what we're working with here. I have one big suitcase made by Base Love, and then I also have a carry-on there. I'm also gonna bring just a purse. I just got a call from my movers that they're gonna be there a day early. Thank God I'm gonna be there a day early, but I get my keys tomorrow, and I guess the movers are coming tomorrow too. I feel really bad though because my apartment complex like schedules out full elevator access and blocks off the elevator. I really hope that it's okay. I literally said to the mover woman, I was like, if there's a will, there's a way. She's like, love that. I'm like, well, there's gotta be a way. So fingers crossed everything works out. It just stinks because it is 6:55 and the leasing office closes at 6, so I probably won't hear anything till tomorrow, and when they probably try to call me, I will be up in the air on a plane. Hoping it all works out. It's so crazy to think literally tomorrow I will be in my apartment. It's a video.
Oh my goodness.
We are on our way. We just had some lunch. You're excited?
Super excited. Supersonic excited.
I'll show you guys once we get there. I haven't even seen this apartment, so we're gonna do like a whole tour and then we're gonna go into my apartment. Then the movers are gonna get there and then my couch might get delivered today. It's a big day. All right guys, we are here. We're gonna be putting the couch here. The movers are gonna be here. I'm gonna talk all about the couch in another video. Cleaning up before they get here, making the floors clean. I will give you guys a tour eventually, but we have been on the go. We just went to Target. We just went to Target and picked up some like basic cleaning stuff just to start off, you know, the basic. The couch is here. It is getting unwrapped and everything. I am so excited. This has been such an easy process. I literally contacted this company and they were here in less than 24 hours. Like, that's unheard of in the couch world. So excited to show you guys everything, like the lighting in my bathroom. Freaking out. I love it. I love that there's a reveal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It goes so good too with the like floors in here.
It's beautiful.
I'm obsessed.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, touch it.
Oh my goodness. It is, it's so nice. Like, it's so soft.
No way. I'm so excited. You guys, I'm gonna show a whole series specifically on this couch. I found this amazing local business and this is literally my dream couch. And it came here, I mean, nothing else is here. The movers haven't even got here, but my couch did. I'm so excited. It is gorgeous. It's a modular sofa. It is so cozy and it's so big, like a lot bigger than what we expected, but so excited. I will. I am also so pleased with the lighting in here. Like, y'all can probably see everything on my face, but this is insane. And my lower back kind of hurts, but we have to wait for the movers to come tonight. And hopefully we get out of here kind of decently early. We're actually not gonna sleep here tonight. We're gonna sleep at a hotel just because we're not gonna unpack everything, but let's do it. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Last night was a very long night, let me tell you. We didn't eat dinner until like 10 p.m. The movers showed up and it was just one mover. And I have a lot of stuff. Like, this isn't even a quarter of it. Stuff in the closets, mattress. It's crazy. So it has been a crazy day. Today, so excited. It's gonna be an amazing day. The sun is out and we're gonna get like non-food items because I need a desk. So we're gonna go to Costco. We're gonna do like some fun stuff. Probably do a huge Costco run, come back here, clean again because the floors are disgusting. But I am so excited to take you guys along the way. Let's do this. Where are we?
We're at Costco today. Taylor, we're at Costco.
We're in Costco. We're at my favorite place. This is so exciting. We're looking at TVs. And we just got back from the first Costco run. We're actually headed to another Costco because they didn't have my desk. It was a whole situation with the movers. They couldn't bring my desk. This is the reality. Oh my gosh, you guys. This has been such a crazy experience. Oh my gosh. I am so happy with my apartment. I am doing so much unpacking right now. There's stuff everywhere in the kitchen. This is obviously like a big move. Like all of my stuff is here with me, so I'm unpacking everything. Just to give you guys like a sneak peek of my closet, not nearly done. I have bags everywhere, and my living room and kitchen area is like a disaster. There's stuff just everywhere. And then I have another bedroom that's filled with just a bunch of stuff. Right now I'm actually unloading all of my glasses. We went to Home Goods last night, so I got like a bunch of cups. I had these from my old house, mugs from my old house. I know I have another bin of mugs, but all of this glassware I got from Home Goods. Like, I just have stuff everywhere. And I am so excited about the plates that I found. You guys, this was a deal. It was $24.99 for a set of dishes, so 4 of each. And I love the shape of these. They feel so nice. They're actually by the brand Gap Home. Have the bowls up there. Everything's dirty. I have to run my dishwasher and like load it and everything, but just to get rid of the cardboard and stuff, we unboxed those yesterday. I am so excited to show you guys everything. It's been crazy. We have so much to do still, but I'm trying to pick up my camera as much as I can. Just went to my first Trader Joe's trip. I'm so excited. I only got a few things just to like have the necessities, but I definitely have to go to Costco to get like my meat and everything like that. But I will show you guys what I got. I also picked up some cute little flowers just because it's Easter weekend, and I think it'll be good just to have flowers. All right, so this is everything I picked up. If you guys know, I love my pumpernickel bread. I also got this just to have in the freezer if I need something quick. These are just a Trader Joe's essential. Got my mom some seaweed snacks. If you know, you know. These are so good. Bananas, little avocados. I tried to get some that were ripe right now so my dad could have some. Pot stickers. These are so good in the air fryer, and my air fryer is supposed to get here on Sunday. Some rice cakes, raspberry rice. I got 2 hold the cones. These are like my nightly treat, and they had it in the coffee bean flavor. Haven't seen those in forever. String cheese. Also got some yellow tortilla chips with some salsa, of course. This stuff is pretty spicy, but it's really good. Some clarified butter just to have it. Sesame oil for cooking. Salt and pepper because I had none. And this sweet chili sauce. This is so good to like saute these in them once they're done.